Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your device and opening settings. This avoids accidental data loss. On iPhone, go to Settings. On Android, open Settings, then System or General Management. Make sure you know which keyboard you use, built-in or third-party, because the controls differ. Back up any custom text replacements or saved clipboard items so you can restore them if needed. Once done, navigate directly to keyboard or language and input. Don't wander through menus. This gets you straight to the controls that turn prediction off. You now remove the learned suggestions and active prediction. In keyboard settings, toggle off predictive and autocorrect. On Android, look for text correction or smart typing options. Next, clear the keyboard history or choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary to delete learned words. This prevents old suggestions from reappearing. If you use Gboard, SwiftKey, or another keyboard app, open that app settings and disable suggestion features, then clear app cache if necessary. Make sure to apply changes and confirm toggles read off before moving on. You finish by restarting the device to ensure system services reload without prediction enabled. After reboot, test typing in messages, notes, and a browser to confirm no predictive suggestions appear. If prediction returns, update or reinstall the keyboard app, because corrupted settings sometimes re-enable features. Uninstalling and reinstalling forces fresh defaults. As a last resort, remove third-party keyboards and rely on the system keyboard, then retest. If problems persist, reset all settings. Note this effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.